Wow, it's another ogbonge delicacy, how to cook spinach sauce at home. Hello sweetin, welcome back to my channel. Today's your first time tuning in, you are watching Lady B Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. And for returning subscriber, you know say I love una so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate your presence, I value your presence. So let's dive into this video. Making this spinach sauce, I will be needing a chicken. So here I have my frozen chicken, and this is the chicken I will be making use of. Over here I have my cooking pot. So now I will just turn the chicken inside the cooking pot. This is optional, guys. You can always use any protein of your choice. Here is the seasoning I will be using to season the chicken. So I'm leaving all the names of the ingredients I'm using on this recipe in my description box. Please don't forget to check it out. I will turn all the seasoning on top of the chicken. So at this point, I'm not adding any water while cooking this chicken. I'm just cooking this for 10 minutes until the chicken turns to boil without adding any water. After 10 minutes, here is the chicken. It has turned to boil. So here we have some juice that comes out from the chicken. So all I will do is to stir and add a little bit of water. Then I just give it a 20 to 15 minutes cook before I fry, because I'm going to be frying this chicken before making use of it. So now I will just add a little bit of water, then give it a cover for 15 minutes cook. Here is my frying oil. I will just transfer all the chicken inside the frying oil. The oil has hot for 2 minutes now, so I will just transfer all the chicken inside the oil, then let it to fry for 5 minutes. Now the chicken is ready. All I will do is to take it out from the oil. Here is the tomato and the onions and green bell pepper and hot pepper I will be using for this sauce. Now I'm done slicing all the pepper, the onions and the tomato. Everything is ready to use. Over here I have my frying pot. So here is the pot I will be using to fry the sauce. So the oil I'm adding is the same oil that I used to fry the chicken. Now that the oil is hot, I will add a little bit of the onions. I did not add everything at this point. I just had half of it. So this will just fry, then add in the tomato. I still did not add everything. I add half of the tomato. After adding that, I will add in the hot pepper. So here is the green chili. I'm making use of green chili. So I'll just add the green chili, then give this a 5 minutes to stir fry before adding any other ingredients. After 5 minutes, this is this sauce. Just take a good look at that. So it's ready, and now I will be adding the seasoning cubes. So as I told you guys earlier, I'm leaving the names on the seasoning cubes I'm using in my description box. Please, everything is going to live there. Don't forget to check it out. I just add a little bit of salt to taste, then give it a stir. Here is the chairman of the occasion. So I'm making use of spinach, and here is the spinach I will be making use of. So now I'm done peeling the spinach. All I will do is to add 2 glasses of water, then use it to wash the spinach until it's well washed and clean before slicing. That it look after slicing. Here is the sauce. It's still frying. So at this point, I will be adding the spinach inside the sauce. Now I'm not adding all the spinach at once, so I'll be adding this spinach 2 different times. So this is the step 1. I will just add it, then give it a stir fry for just 3 minutes before adding the last spinach. After 2 minutes, so this is the last one I'm adding over. So I will just add everything at this point. So now I will be adding the chicken. On this bowl I have my smoked fish. So here is the fish I will be using. So I'll be adding this fish inside this spinach sauce. So I really like the taste of this fish, so I really need it inside this sauce. So now I'll just turn it over, then adding the green bell pepper and the rest of the veggie that I left earlier. So I'll be adding the onions and the tomato that I left earlier. So after that, I give this a good stir. This is spinach, my people. You don't need to cook this at this point. Everything will be ready as I'm talking to you, so we don't need to waste time while cooking our spinach, because this is just vegetable. You don't want to overcook it. So now I'll just add the tomatoes, then give it a very good stir, like everything gets combined. So we are not going to be adding anything inside this sauce. So everything is ready. We don't need water, we don't need anything anymore. So that is it, my people. Look at our spinach stew. Just take a good look at this. Like, it's calling your name. It's calling you, come and take a taste. Oh yeah, now come and take a taste. You know, the good thing about this sauce is what you can eat, like enjoy with anything of your choice. Like, what did you care to enjoy this is what you really want to go with it. You can enjoy this with your rice, your yam, anything is good to go. We have come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to share, subscribe and left your comment. See you in my next one. Bye bye.